Place termite detection monitors in concealed post-construction spaces like garages and crawl spaces to catch infestations before they cause structural damage. For effective post-construction termite treatment, install monitors at key hidden points using a systematic approach. First, identify likely termite entry paths such as utility penetrations, foundation edges, and areas where wood meets soil, then place stations directly adjacent to those points so they intercept foragers. Use a mix of in-ground cellulose bait stations and above-ground wooden monitoring stations when space allows, and secure them to prevent displacement while still allowing easy inspection. Map every station with a simple floor plan note and a consistent labeling scheme so anyone checking can record findings unambiguously. Schedule checks at minimum quarterly for the first 2 years and increase to monthly in high-risk seasons or after heavy rainfall because termites are more active when moisture rises. When you find suspect activity, remove damaged wood for confirmation, photograph the site, and escalate to a targeted treatment such as localized baiting or spot liquid barrier rather than whole structure fumigation whenever possible. Common mistakes include placing monitors only at visible exterior zones, which leaves garages and crawl spaces unprotected, so add stations inside those concealed areas and near utility entries. Another issue is inconsistent inspections that let colonies grow between visits, so set and adhere to a written schedule and log every check with date and brief notes. A third problem is poor station documentation that means monitors are overlooked. Remedy that by mapping each monitor on a simple plan, labeling stations sequentially, and storing photos and notes together so anyone can pick up monitoring duties quickly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who do post-construction termite treatment and install hidden area monitors so we make it easier to connect with professionals. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community where we share monitoring tips and field experiences.